Have you ever wondered how those beautiful, multicolored agates are formed deep within the earth? In the grand theater of geology, agates play a captivating role. These stunning gemstones, with their layers of vibrant hues and intricate patterns, are born from a fascinating interplay of time, pressure, and chemistry. Each agate is a time capsule, preserving a slice of Earth's deep geological history within its lustrous bands. Agates are not born overnight. Their formation is a slow, meticulous process that takes millions of years, a testament to the enduring patience of nature. These gemstones are the product of volcanic activity, formed within the cavities of eruptive rocks or ancient lavas. Imagine a hollow space within a rock, a void created by gas bubbles during a volcanic eruption or the decay of plant or animal matter. This is where our story begins. Over time, groundwater-carrying dissolved silica seeps into these voids. Layer by layer, the silica is deposited, eventually hardening into what we know as an agate. The beauty of agates lies not just in their vibrant colors, but also their remarkable diversity. Each agate is a unique masterpiece, its patterns and hues determined by the specific conditions of its formation. The minerals present, the rate of silica deposition, the temperature, the pressure, every tiny detail plays a part in shaping the final appearance of the agate. From the fiery reds and oranges that speak of intense heat and iron-rich environments, to the calm blues and greens hinting at the presence of copper or nickel, each color tells a story. Some agates even bear intricate patterns, like the eye-catching fortification agates that resemble the plan view of a medieval fortress, or moss agates with their plant-like inclusions, resembling a miniature landscape trapped within a stone. Isn't it intriguing to think that such beauty can be formed over millions of years beneath our feet? To understand how agates are formed, we first need to delve into the volcanic activities that lay the groundwork. This is where our journey begins, deep within the earth, where the fiery and explosive forces of volcanoes hold the key to the birth of agates. When a volcano erupts, it spews out molten rock known as lava. As this lava flows across the landscape, it begins to cool and solidify. But it's what happens next that's truly fascinating. As the lava hardens, it often traps pockets of gas. These pockets or cavities within the solidified lava are the birthplaces of agates. You see, these cavities are not just empty spaces. They are filled with a cocktail of mineral-rich water and gases, left behind from the volcanic eruption. Over time, this mineral-rich solution begins to cool and harden layer by layer within these cavities. The process is slow, painstakingly so. It can take hundreds of thousands, even millions of years for an agate to fully form. Each layer of minerals deposited represents a snapshot in time, a moment in the Earth's geological history. These layers are what give agates their distinctive banded appearance. But what about the different colors we see in agates? Well, that's all down to the type of minerals present in the solution. Iron oxides will produce reds and yellows, manganese can result in pinks and purples, and copper produces blues and greens. Interestingly, not all cavities will give birth to agates. Many factors come into play, such as the composition of the mineral-rich solution, the rate of cooling, and even the pressure and temperature within the cavity. It's a delicate balance, a geological dance if you will, that results in the creation of these stunning gemstones. So, the birth of an agate starts with a volcanic eruption leaving behind a cavity, a perfect space for an agate to grow. The story of an agate's formation is a testament to the incredible forces at work beneath our feet, a reminder of the Earth's fiery past and its capacity to create beauty from chaos. Now that we have our cavity from a volcanic eruption, how does it transform into an agate? Imagine a cavity, a void in the earth left by a volcanic eruption, a hollow space yearning to be filled. As if on cue, water rich in silica, a common compound found in the Earth's crust, finds its way into the cavity. Like an artist with a blank canvas, the silica-laden water begins its work, not with a brush, but with the slow and steady deposit of silica layers within the cavity. The water, carrying silica, seeps into the cavity, and as it evaporates, it leaves behind a thin layer of silica. Over time, the layers accumulate and the cavity begins to fill. This process is not a matter of days or years, but of centuries, sometimes even millennia. Each layer is a testament to time and patience, a silent chronicle of the Earth's history. Now you might be wondering, how do agates get their beautiful colors? The answer lies in the impurities. Yes, you heard that right. It's the impurities in the silica-rich water that give agates their unique hues. The presence of different elements can lend the agate a spectrum of colors. Iron, for instance, can give the agate a reddish tint, while manganese can turn it purple. Even the humble oxygen can transform a layer into a vibrant blue. Every agate is a masterpiece painted by nature, each layer a different shade, each color a different chapter in its long history. At the heart of it all is a process known as banding. This is what gives the agate its distinctive, concentric, onion-like layers. The changes in the environment, the temperature, the pressure, the mineral content, all contribute to this beautiful pattern, creating a visual symphony of lines and colors. Over millions of years, layer by layer, the plain cavity transforms into a stunning agate. Each agate is a testament to the beauty that resides within the earth, a beauty that is born from time, patience, and a little bit of everyday magic. Now that we know how agates form, wouldn't you want to know how to unearth these natural treasures? Indeed, the thrill of the hunt is part of the joy of rockhounding, but it's not all about chance. There are certain geological indicators that can guide us to the locations of these hidden gems. Agates are often associated with volcanic regions. Why, you ask? Remember when we spoke about the birth of an agate? Agates are formed when silica-rich solutions fill the cavities in volcanic rocks, and over time these solutions solidify into the beautiful agates we seek. So, if you're on the hunt for agates, keep an eye out for signs of old lava flows. These may present as unique formations in the landscape, such as prismatic columns, or simply as hardened lava fields. Volcanic rocks like basalt or rhyolite are also good indicators of potential agate locations. Now you might be wondering, but how can I recognize these signs? Well, one key feature of old lava flows is their distinctive, often rough texture. The rocks may appear porous or filled with tiny holes, a result of gas bubbles trapped during the lava's rapid cooling process. This porous rock, referred to as vesicular basalt, is a prime location for agate formation. Moreover, don't forget about color. While not a definitive sign, the presence of red or brown rocks could suggest iron oxidation, another telltale sign of agate-friendly environments. But remember, patience is key. You might not strike agate gold on your first outing, but don't let that discourage you. If you're persistent and attentive to the geological clues around you, your chances of unearthing an agate will increase. Armed with this knowledge, you can now begin your quest to find your very own agate. Remember, every rock you turn could be hiding a treasure, a slice of the Earth's history waiting to be discovered. Finding agates is not just about science, it's also about the thrill of the hunt and the joy of discovery. There's an undeniable excitement that comes from unearthing a piece of natural beauty that's been hidden away for millions of years. Rockhounding is more than a hobby. It's a community of passionate individuals, united by the love of nature and the allure of the unknown. It's the shared stories of success, the shared wisdom of experience, and the shared thrill of the hunt that brings this community together. It's not unusual to see rockhounds of all ages, from the young, inquisitive minds to the seasoned veterans, out on the field, each with their own tale of discovery. Finding an agate, with its intricate patterns and colors, is like discovering a piece of art painted by nature itself. Each agate is unique, a testament to the infinite creativity of our planet. There's a sense of wonder and joy in holding a piece of history right in your hand, a piece of the Earth story that you have the privilege to tell. However, as we revel in this joy of discovery, let's not forget our responsibility towards nature. Rockhounding is not just about taking, it's also about giving back. It's about respecting the land that gives us these treasures. Let's follow ethical rockhounding practices. Don't dig in unauthorized areas. Don't leave a mess behind. If you pack it in, pack it out. Let's leave the places we visit as we found them, or even better. And if you find yourself frustrated, not finding any agates after hours of searching, remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. The journey of being out in nature, of learning, of connecting with fellow rockhounds and with the earth itself. Remember, the journey to find an agate is as beautiful as the agate itself. Happy rockhounding!